Homeowners, are you facing unexpected water damage in your home? Water damage restoration services are essential to make your home safe for you and your family again. Whether it's a burst pipe, sewage backup, or mold, water damage is more than just an inconvenience. It's a danger that worsens with time. Ignoring these issues can lead to serious health hazards and costly long-term damage to your property. At the first sign of water damage, call the experts. Our team at 1-855-215-1262 is ready to provide swift, professional water damage restoration services. We specialize in water extraction, mold removal, overflows, storm damage, flood damage, and restoring your home so that it's like nothing ever happened. Remember, speed is critical. The longer you wait, the worse the damage can get. Call us now at 1-855-215-1262. Let us make your home safe and comfortable again.